Grateful gang, what's up guys? Look, normally I'm looking at dresses only, but Free Assembly has new arrivals with some really dope looks. Now this is transitioning over into fall, y'all. We are currently in summer, but we transitioning over to fall with this. This is too cute. Now this shirt is probably around $24. I'm not really for sure, but guys, we're gonna go through Free Assembly and see what they have to offer. Guys, make sure that you like the video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to my channel, because what I do is I keep you in the know on what's the latest. I also let you know the prices. I tell you whether you need to get it online or go into the store. Your store is going to be different from my store. Y'all, this shirt is $26. I adore this. Now let me tell you, it's not a stretchy material at all. It is probably like 100% cotton or something like that. Not real sure on the materials, but it is definitely not going to stretch. So you have to be true to size on this one to make sure you could get it. If it's too small, you could maybe wear it wide open with like a tank top underneath. This is so cute. And then they have it with some jeans right next to it. This will be an adorable outfit. I would love my jeans to be a little bit darker, if not the darkest, like this navy blue color that's in it. But these are adorable. Super cute. Love the pineapple look. That is adorable. And now they got a beautiful dress to match, y'all. What? This is so cute too. Let's see. This is by Free Assembly as well, y'all. What is that sweetheart shape at the top? And it's ruched. Let me see. That's not elastic, so none of this is giving. It is smocked in the back though. That way you could definitely get a little bit of stretch back there to be able to get it in. But keep in mind, this right here is not going to stretch much, but it's really cute, y'all, with pockets on the inside as well. And then that real cute pineapple detail at the bottom. This is adorable. I love this. A lot of white though, y'all. This is a lot of white. Now what if you paired it with the actual shirt, or you could pair it with their sweaters? And like I said, I normally like to look at their dresses, but look, they have some really cute sweaters too. Oh my goodness, look at the sleeve on this, y'all. This dress is going to be $38 for this one. Super cute, right? Oh, I love the pockets. I could see me wearing this, y'all. Transitioning over to fall, we know that we can't really wear this sweater like this in the summer, but you're gonna need this when it starts to get cooler outside. This is really cute, and the sweater is going to be $34. And then they have another one that has no sleeves, which is gonna be $24. This one might also be $26 as well, because it's not making a difference between whether it has sleeves or not. But this is really cute. And then there's another sweater that you could wear on top, another cardigan sweater that you can wear with this up under it. Super cute, y'all. Lots of new finds here at Walmart for Free Assembly. Like, I love when they have new arrivals, and you know what happens when they have new arrivals? That means something else is on clearance, y'all. So I'm gonna definitely make sure I put out the good word for y'all, because you deserve it. Okay, so let me go ahead and let you know that that shirt that I showed you also has shorts to it. Now the shorts are $24, and then it of course matches with this top. But I was wondering, what would it look like if you match this top also with this dress? Like, how would that look? I think that would be so adorable. Let's check and just see what the vibe is giving. Remember how I told you if the shirt is too small, because all of the shirts would be too small for me if I were to have this open and maybe tied at the bottom, or even just left open like this. How that would look with that, oh my goodness, that would be so adorable. Then of course, if I didn't want to do a dress, I can do the shorts with a shirt underneath it. Oh my goodness, that would be such a beautiful outfit. I love what they coming through with. But yeah, tied up would be so cute as well, because remember, they don't have a shirt over there for me to fit. But tied up would be amazing, I think. I love this. Super cute. So I don't even have to pair it with those jeans. I could do it with its own counterpart parts. You know what I mean? I think this is cute. Yeah, guys, see, unfortunately the only size that they had that I might be able to squeeze into is a large, and when I put my arms in it, it gets a little snug up here. So that's what I'm talking about. If they had an extra large, it would definitely be doable, but I would most definitely have to have the shirt wide open because it will not fit, unfortunately. Still sticking with the summer vibes, y'all. I've been seeing this dress all over. I love when they do this sleeve like this on the side. I wonder, can you wear it off the shoulder like that? This is so cute. It's like a mini, it's kind of like a shift dress, but it is smocked in the back. So you could definitely have some space back there and it won't be so god-awful tight up here in the front. I love this dress too. This one is going to be $32. Super cute, y'all. They got a lot of these. I'm gonna be watching this one. I'm gonna keep it real with you. They do not have this one particularly with this color. Yes, they do. In my size. Yes, they sure do. This is a beautiful, pretty dress. I love this dress. It's super cute. And then they got it in this blue and white as well. Of course, this is probably a little bit more practical, but to me, I think you should put some ruby red slippers on it and channel your inner Dorothy, right? Stripes are a little bit smaller, but what better to wear these than some ruby red slippers? Cute though. Love it. Like this one better though. We still got the summer vibes going on. I like this little top. It's like a tube top almost, but it does have the spaghetti straps at the top that are adjustable. Lots of pleats to play around with. Now, does this zip up? The pleats do not open up at all. At all, they don't. And let's see. The largest size that they're going to go to in this top is extra large. Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to fit this more than likely because like I said, it has no give to it. Now it does adjust on the straps, but y'all, it's a lot here. Like, they have a lot of stuff. I'm so happy I stopped by. I thought it was a zipper on the side because I felt this, but no. So I probably would not be able to get this on, to be honest with you. I need a double XL, and they don't have this in either color in my size, unfortunately. However, the tops are going to be $24, and so are the shorts. Y'all see these shorts? Y'all see these amazing, cute pineapple shorts? So what, Free Assembly is going with like the pineapple type of deal here. I love this. Now, I might not be able to fit that other shirt, but I could match this with one of their sweaters, I believe. Maybe? No, I don't think we have any sweaters that are going to match this. So I would probably have to just get like something else to match, probably from another brand, because this does not match. And then the other tops that they have a different type of print. But y'all see the other shorts that they have as well, with the bananas and the green and white stripes. I love the fruity like feeling that they're giving. This stuff is so cute, y'all. But wait till I find that clearance, because I'm telling y'all, they got so much here that is about brand new stuff. Wait till I find the clearance rack. I'm telling y'all, somebody going home with me today. And we ain't talking about no man. We talking about, ooh, dang, now this is brand new, but why is it only one here? Did it sell out like that? $30 for this. Y'all, this is so adorable. Do you know how fast I would snatch this dress for $30? This is so cute. I love that. I think this is super adorable. Wow, I wish they did have this. And one thing that I would need with this is like a cardigan sweater to go with it, because I know this is, it's not a lot of fabric, you know what I mean? So I would definitely need this to be covered up just a little bit, especially if I'm going to work and stuff like that, or going to church. Now this is Lee, that's not the right brand, but it's still really cute. Let me see what this is here. This is No Boundaries as well, so that's not going to be it. But these are Free Assembly right here. Super cute. Again, y'all, we kind of short on the sizing. It looks like things have been picked over. These dresses are also $30. Super uber cute, but too small for your girl, unfortunately. It's Y'all, I'm so happy with what I'm running into. Do I say this every time? I love I'm so glad I came in here. Don't I always say that? Because they always got some stuff going on. Y'all, this reminds me of when I was like in the 3rd grade and I had a sweater like this and I wore a shirt underneath it, and I just remember my mom saying, "Oh, you look so good in your clothes." And I just thought I was like that girl at school with my sweater vest on and my penny loafers. Somebody did say something about the penny being in my loafers, but I thought I was I thought I was looking good. I probably was. People be hating. Because I still will wear this to this day. Not this one, but I would definitely do this one. Super cute. I love that, y'all. These sweaters are going to be $24. Now, I'm sure they're talking about these as far as sweaters and not tank tops. So either way, $24. Both of them is $24. Whether it's a sweater or a tank top, that's the price. And it says it right there. That's how I know. But guys, I'm loving everything that I'm seeing so far, y'all. Let's keep it moving and see what else we got, because today they coming through. They coming through. Now, we already know I can't fit these little behind jeans, but they do got some cute stuff in here. I know I've shown you this shirt before, but this is what I'm talking about. I will put this with this. Or is that like off-putting a little bit? Or is it almost perfect? I like it. I will wear this together. I'm a watch you. I'm waiting. Come on down and I will definitely be getting this sweater. I have shown y'all this sweater before. I love it, but yeah, it's a little bit higher for me right now. Sweaters is like what, $24, $28? Yeah. More super cute dresses, y'all. We looking at 4 different ones right now. This one is super cute, that same pineapple flavor. Now here's the thing, I can only get one pineapple outfit. You know, we're not just about to be pineappling it up. But I don't know, I guess this will kind of match with that. But no, if I'm gonna do the pineapple, it's gonna be this sweater. So I would definitely leave this dress alone. But I do like the flamingo. The flamingo, I like this. Super cute dress. Love the style of it. I love how it's like fitted all the way down here. It does not, oh, it's got a big peep in the back. It doesn't smock though, for real. But this is cute. Let me see if they have it. They do have it all the way up into a XXL, so I should be able to fit that one. And then here's another dress, kind of like that top that I was showing you guys a while ago with the adjustable strap. This is really cute. Now this, I would definitely need a sweater over it, or a jacket. Like a jean jacket would be dope, I think. Yes, I think that would be dope to fit with that. Y'all see the pink lemonade at the bottom? I don't know what that is. It's lemons, lemonade, avocados, all kind of stuff. Green leaves, probably mint, because it's summertime and that's what this is giving. And then here's another one with the bananas and stuff like that on it. Y'all, these dresses have pockets in them. They have pockets in it. That's one thing I'm so glad that they took their time out to add. I think the dress with the pocket touch is amazing. Y'all, these are all dresses that I will be watching, because one thing that you do know is that sometimes free assembly sticks around. Now sometimes it doesn't stick around, depending on what it is. So you make your best decision on whether you want to wait or not. I did want to check to see if this has a pocket. It does. It does have a pocket as well, and I'm sure the pineapple one does too. But yeah, like I said, you always want to make sure that you use your best judgment when it comes to should I go or should I not. Now if I tell you it's time to go, then most definitely I'm gonna wait, because I need to slow it down on the shopping sprees. You know what I'm saying? I do like this skirt. More pineapples. What is this, like a pink pineapple? Super cute, but it does never top the banana skirt. I love this banana skirt. I love the colors. It's not fluorescent, but to me it's giving fluorescent. I don't know why. I don't know why this skirt is giving fluorescent, but I love this skirt. It's just adorable to me, guys. But y'all, I am gonna have to check clearance to see what we missing on clearance. I will come back and update you on free assembly later on. Look, this sweater goes with this pineapple skirt. Y'all see that? Y'all catch it? Cute, right? But guys, bye. Thank you for watching.